that was a heavy one. This one is dedicated to next week. Good things to fuck you. Aemena.
Some say the end is near. Some say we'll see up again soon. I certainly hope we will. I should use a vacation from this bullshit free ring circus sideshow of freaks are in this whole fucking hole we call LA. The only way to fix it is to flush it all away. Any fucking time, any fucking day. Learn to swim and sing it down in Arizona Bay.
Fucking knock it off, Reedy.
Fret for your figure, and fret for your latte, and fret for your lawsuit, and fret for your headpiece, and fret for your Prozac, and fret for your pilot, and fret for your contract, and fret for your pockets of bullshit free ring circus. Some say that comets will fall from the sky, followed by meteor showers and tidal waves, followed by fallouts that cannot sit still, followed by millions of dumbfounded dipshits. Some say the end is near. Some say we'll see Armageddon soon. I certainly hope we will. I should use a vacation from this stupid shit, silly shit, stupid shit. Oh, I'm ready fast and bring me a distraction, not a suggestion to keep you all occupied. Learn to swim, learn to swim, learn to swim. I'm gonna fix it all soon. Mom's coming back to put it back the way it ought to be.
You know this next bit, don't feel bad, jump in, yell it out. Come on!
Fuck the road, pop it down, follow this clone. Fuck all you got to me, it takes the one days. Learn to swim, learn to swim, learn to swim. Fuck retro, anything, fuck your tattoos. Fuck all you junkies and fuck your show memories. Learn to swim, learn to swim, learn body right hidden agenda. Fuck these dysfunctional, insecure actresses. Learn to swim! Learn to swim! Learn to swim! Oh, I'm praying for rain. I'm praying for tidal waves. I want you to go down, but you don't push away. No, please push it all away. I wanna see it go right now. I wanna watch it all over.